Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. I was just actually at another Pinktober function down at the Aiyaz office, and as Shah has said that we'd like to obviously pay significance to this particular day, and thank you all for coming, but Shah being Shah has taken the opportunity to call all of you too, so that we could have some form of consultations in respect of how CIU can better deliver services. Not just to their internal clients or clients like, for example, the judiciary. We have the acting CJ here with us, and thank you for joining us, CJ. And of course the other ministries, but also in respect of how CIU deals with you as contractors, as architects, as engineers, and various other consultants. Because the reality of the matter is that the level of private sector engagement that Ministry of Economy is doing through CIU is actually unprecedented. We've never had this level of engagement with the private sector. In the previous years, of course, you had everything was done through the Public Works Department or Ministry of Infrastructure, and hardly any work was actually farmed out. If it was farmed out, it was not done in a very professional manner. So we hope to obviously have higher levels of professional services. I think there's a lot of learnings that need to take place between all the parties, whether it's the suppliers, whether it's the contractors, the engineers, and whether it's CIU. So thank you for coming along, and we can have a bit of a discussion and hear from you, but maybe we can, Neelam, get on with the formalities. We had at the AG's office, we had the CEO of Cancer Society who came along and gave a talk about what they do. And they obviously do fantastic work, not just in palliative care, but also work with people who need oncological services. And essentially a lot of support, both emotional and psychological support. We had two ladies who had were cancer victims, and they've gotten over it, whether it's breast cancer, and of course today specifically is in relation to breast cancer, but there are other types of cancers, and males also get breast cancer. There's recently a couple of cases where males get breast cancer. And of course, as I said at the AG's gathering, that many times these matters of cancer, for example, a lot of people report it late because they feel mandua to do it, because most of the cancer is actually in what we consider to be private parts of your body, whether it's male with prostate cancer, rectum cancer. All these sorts of things are very common with males, but they also do get breast cancer. A lot of women have cervical cancer and breast cancer also. I was told this afternoon that with women now, cervical cancer seems to kind of caught up with breast cancer too. But we find in Fiji that a lot of the times people either die or have to have some form of mastectomy because of the fact that they go late because they feel shy to go and report it to doctors, or they look for alternative medicinal medicines, herbal medicine, etc. And by the time they actually go to a hospital, it's a bit too late. So, the idea is to create awareness on this particular day for everybody, not just for yourselves, but also those who are family members, friends, work colleagues, etc. And to try and also recognize the work they do. And so please don't hesitate to contribute. And this money will all go towards the Cancer Society. AG's conference, they raised $500 just among staff. They didn't have any external partners coming in. So hopefully with external partners coming in, you can raise a lot more than $500. That's the whole idea. So I think there'll be one box for all the consultants there, one box for the staff. But thank you very much for coming. And please, as we said, be aware of cancer, and let's be able to work together to beat this particular illness.
1, 2, 3.